This video will show you how easy it is to set up and program your Intermatic ET1700 series 7-day electronic timer control. Make sure to set the correct voltage using the switch on the back of the time mechanism before installation. Please refer to your device manual for details. For the ET1725C model, you can also choose to operate in simultaneous, independent, or pulse mode. This is set by the placement of jumpers on the back of the time mechanism. Again, for detailed instructions, refer to your device manual. For initial setup, press the mode button until Set and Date appear in the upper area of the display. Next, use the plus or minus buttons to choose the current month. When the current month is shown, press Enter to advance. Again, use the plus or minus buttons to set the day, and then press Enter. Now, select the year but do not press Enter. Instead, press the Mode button to enter the time setting screen. Use the plus or minus buttons to set the current time, being mindful of the AM/PM setting. Holding down either button will advance from minutes to hours. With the initial setup completed, press the Mode button to proceed to the programming mode. You can advance to this mode at any time by pushing the Mode button until Set, On/Off events, and event number are displayed. On events will be odd numbers, and off events will be even. To set the on event, use the Day button to select the days you would like the on event to occur. You can choose Monday through Friday, weekends, individual days, or all of the days of the week. For this example, we will set it for Monday through Friday. Now use the plus or minus buttons to set the time for the on event. For this example, we will set the timer to turn the lights on at 7 p.m. If your timer has more than one circuit and they are set to operate independently, you can choose which circuits are affected by this event by pressing the On/Off buttons until the correct load or loads are displayed. For this example, we will choose both loads of this 2-circuit timer. Once the settings are correct for the on event, press Enter to set the off event. The display changes to off, and the event number advances. Use the Day button to select the days for the off event to occur. Again, we will choose Monday through Friday. Now use the plus and minus buttons to choose a time. For this example, we will set the lights to go off at 11 p.m. Again, we will choose for both circuits to be affected by this event. Once the off setting is correct, you can press Enter to add more events, or press the Mode button to exit the programming mode. Pressing the Mode button will change between auto, manual, clock, or programming modes. To enable the program, make sure the timer is in auto mode. In order to erase a programmed event, enter the programming mode. Tap the Enter button until you see the event you wish to remove. Now press both the plus and minus buttons at the same time to clear the event from the screen. And that's how easy it is to set up and program your Intermatic ET1700 series 7-day electronic timer control. And if you have any questions or need help at any step in the process, you can call or email technical support at the contact information listed on the screen. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or visit our webpage for more tutorials.